Hello.
Hello. Doodle is gonna watch y'all while I go get the fireworks from inside. So
You got the hiccup.
he does.
Boy, you gotta be grown, but you got the hiccup. What's going on, y'all? How y'all doing today? Happy 4th of July.
Yeah.
Enjoy,
Happy 1st of
enjoy.
July.
We gonna see if we start a little light show ourselves.
Yeah.
We gonna make it do what it do, y'all. We gonna make it do what it do. I'll be right back. Let me cut on some more
Yeah.
music.
Yeah. Okay.
Y'all appreciate it.
Yay, fireworks. We got the fireworks. Yay! You get it, the fireworks up. Get the fire. Yay, get it, the fireworks. Get the fireworks. Yay! Look at all of these fireworks.
We gonna miss some. They're gonna cut us off.
Yeah. Get it, we got the fireworks, okay. Okay, we get it. We can see the we can see the fireworks.
They don't need to see our little bit of fireworks.
Wow. Wow, I saw fireworks right now.
Okay.
Got these fireworks. Yay, I'm excited. Yay. Got this.
You want some snappers?
Yeah. Remember. Down.
Hey, and Arlene.
Hey, Arlene.
All right. Do you know how to use these?
Yeah, remember.
What do you do?
Frozen.
Don't snap me your hand. It might hurt.
You frozen.
This man is gonna mess up my life. I swear, 'cause it doesn't. You can't use music in there. Okay. You can try to hold that. I gotta go back inside. Oh wow. Don't throw them all at one time. Pick up the paper. Thank you.
Step on them.
Nothing. What is that up there?
There was stones.
Oh. Hey.
What happened to I step on them?
Hey, you got the lighter?
Oh, no.
What happened to I step on them?
They're just
I'm
fine.
gonna do some fountain. Got a little cracker thing. Got that little thing. That was 2 for the show. 2 for the show thing. Just something for him to watch. You know, for right now. Once I figure out what the heck is going on. But we got some bangers, y'all. We got some bangers now. Stop tripping now. We got some bangers now.
Not a lot.
Huh?
Not a lot.
We got a lot. We got about 3 of them.
We got 3.
3 bangers. We got 3 bangers for today.
You got free.
After that, y'all, that's it. Fireworks show over with.
Yeah.
For real, for real.
Yeah. It.
You know.
I wonder what
We
this
got the
do.
little goose-
I wonder what this do. Is it one of these popper dates? They're already they're already gone. I just poured them out.
You poured them out. I told you not to pour.
Oh God! I
He didn't.
fireworks. The fireworks. Yay!
You did it in the wrong area.
Is that good?
I hope the grass isn't dry.
The grass
Sorry.
The grass is gonna burn.
No, it's not. Yay!
That's
Look at the fireworks over there.
yeah. They're beautiful.
Popping,
Yeah,
popping.
they're beautiful.
You done had the hiccups for a while. I was grabbing those.
It's a lot of fireworks. Oh, there's more of the poppers.
Yeah, they go over there.
There's some more of the poppers. Where? Well,
Put 'em up in there,
we
y'all.
got more
Put 'em up in there.
poppers.
More poppers.
Yeah.
I'll throw one at you.
No, throw it at.
God dang, that was kind of close there, buddy.
Hey, what
Yeah,
happened
we
to
got a
throw the
fountain.
bag?
Go.
We'll get another fountain.
Go that way. Go that way.
Why?
I hope that semi's not too close.
2 for the money, 2 for the money.
What happened to throw the poppers at the fireworks?
Yep.
Nothing.
Yeah, it is. Hey! What is that? Oh, there's a bus.
You got to clean this mess up too. Come on here.
That was in his little
Yeah,
pouch
there's no
right here,
dog.
but it ain't.
You're not watching the
Fortunately.
fireworks.
Yeah, I watched the fireworks.
Okay. Well, we're going to do this one
Hey,
here.
let me have the poppers.
Why you?
Alright, we're going to do this one here.
Guys. Hey, what happened to I dumped them?
No, we're not going to talk.
Alright, y'all. We're going to do this one here, y'all.
Do you need a stand?
I got a stand. What?
Oh. No, I'm talking about for your phone.
Hey,
Ah! Don't hit me with it.
go with it. Yeah. My goodness.
He done left. All right, y'all. Ah, this is moving good.
Fireworks, to see the fireworks, Gibby.
Dang it. What the heck? I keep having to move it.
That's the things there.
What are those?
Hey, I'm gonna dunk all of them.
Oh, this is a fountain.
Hey, like dump.
I don't know what the heck that is. That's the little popper things. Okay.
Was I not supposed to take this out of the packaging? Oh.
Whoop, pop.
Oh, the fireworks stuff is getting all over the
Yeah.
car.
It's all over the place. Look at this. It's a mess.
You're gonna be sweeping.
Yeah. Yep.
I have you out here sweeping up every day. What up? Let's see what it does.
You're beautiful. It's beautiful. I say it's beautiful. That was it. That was it. Not the fireworks.
We up here Dawson. Look what Dawson doing up here.
I don't need.
You got dang on Dawson doing
Ah,
that. Look at Dawson. Look at it. Look at it. Yes, sir. Look at it. Fine. Fine. Off.
Yeah.
That's a lot of shots right
Yeah.
there. Good. Good. They put him up in there.
I
What
just
that
look
is
at that. Just look at
You
the
got a little
fire.
fool out here riding around, looking at the fireworks, y'all.
So yeah, some good lights on that 4-wheeler.
We're making it do what it do, y'all. Alright, y'all. I guess we're gonna fire up this one next.
I think the poppers are gone.
They're all gone.
Oh look, the sparklers and more sparklers.
Yeah, Dad has the lighter, so I can't get the.
I don't think we
Is
sparklers.
that still going or no?
I don't know.
Oh, it is.
Yep.
All right.
It's just gotta be fun, huh?
What kind was that?
Pull out my pistol.
Hey,
Find my dang. Where is it? Where the heck is the fuse at?
It was.
I need a fan out here. It's hot.
Let me see. Or I think it's upside down.
No? Can't be upside down. I don't know. Does it need to take the paper off? Uh-oh.
Feel for it. Should be somewhere. There. Okay, there.
Here we go. Yay! I
I give you the lighter too? Oh, yeah, get a lighter too.
Yay!
You got it?
Yay!
You want me
Fireworks!
to go? I ain't going over there.
Hey! Fireworks! It was.
It's reckless with fireworks. He might
Yeah.
light me up. No.
Yeah, they're gonna attack.
No, thank you. I need a chair.
I need a chair.
Yeah.
Need 2 chairs.
There's a chair over there, but it's dusty and I don't want to sit in there.
Yeah. And there may be bugs.
Bugs, ants, spiders.
On mine.
Uh-oh. Let's get on the way. We ain't gonna get shot by fireworks. We just want to show everybody our little
Looks beautiful.
fireworks show.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
That's it.
That's it.
It does.
What are these?
Oh,
Uh-oh.
this fireworks they doing. Oh, stop it.
Are you watching? I always hate
Imagine the last one is like a big one. Imagine there's like a big one.
Look at that one over there.
Wow, that's a big one. Imagine there's a big one pops and it flies out.
We gotta go to a better place to get fireworks. So. Yeah. We're going to a local place that don't have a lot of, whatchamacallit.
Oh, You got a lot of ones. You got a lot. You got like that. Kind of a lot. They're kind
A
of.
little bit.
A little bit
Not
of
as
a
much as we normally have.
And there's this thing. I'm excited.
Policeman got somebody.
I'm excited for this one.
That's little.
Yeah.
You're exci- Show 'em what you're excited for. This
This
little
thing.
thing right here.
Yeah.
Of all
it says,
of them.
It says this.
Oh, friendship.
What the heck is this? I am not excited for this. Nope. I thought I was excited, but it's not. It's excited. Look. It's tiny. Why is it tiny?
He's not excited about this one. But he's excited about. Show him the size.
I'm
of that.
excited for this.
Show.
It's tiny. I don't like
He
it.
ain't excited about this one, but he's excited about a little
Hey,
friendship.
I
you know
need to
what?
find on these things.
You know what? I'm not. I don't think I'm not gonna be.
I'm just being silly. It's all right
Yeah.
to be excited about a small firework.
Yeah, buy small fireworks.
Yay.
Excited for that. The big one maybe gonna be cool.
It might.
The lit. How? I don't know what is this one's gonna do. Is it gonna make like a heart or something?
No, it's gonna be a fountain.
A fountain.
I don't
be
know
a
if I
sign.
broke it or not though, because I think I did.
Maybe check.
I don't think it was supposed to come out the box. Oh my gosh.
Got a lot of ones.
Those are,
The pops. Sparklers.
I don't like these.
Why?
I like using these as something else. Like in
What?
case of emergency. SOS signals. I'm just kidding. These are ramen candles.
Rubber candles. Why is that?
These are the ones that pop up in the air. Pop
Wow.
up in the air.
Oh, so excited. Does nothing. Does nothing. I think it's maybe gonna do something. Right?
Huh?
I
Yeah.
think it's gonna do something. Oh, I think it's good. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's gonna be it. Is that
No.
it?
I think that's it on
Yeah.
that one.
That was the same. That was just the same. But different? Nope. Hopefully it was the same.
That says friendship too.
Friendship?
It's a bigger friendship.
Yeah. Fun. How fun. A bigger
Oh,
one.
so they do stay in the box. Oops. They stay in the box.
It's gonna be fine. Wow, it's beautiful. Wow, they got the, it's beautiful.
Da-da-da-da.
Oh, I see something. I mean, people have fireworks.
A lot.
Oh, is that the one with the friendship?
Yeah, that's friendship.
Oh boy.
Friendship.
And Little River. I don't know.
Ooh, I need some water to get into, man. Oh my goodness.
That
It is
was-
hot.
That was not how I expect that.
It's just a fountain.
It's
That's
a
how it
fountain of
goes.
water. It's a fountain of
Not a fountain of water.
Here we go.
Funny.
We're gonna get this one out of the way.
this one, the big one. I think the little one's gonna be the same too. But little. It's gonna be a little fountain.
Mm-hmm.
A fountain of
Alright,
fireworks.
Hold on for a second.
Fountain of fire.
Low. They're low.
I'm gonna just be excited.
You're excited?
Cool.
I'm excited too.
Wonder what this
I need
blue
a
fire.
fan though.
Yeah. What if we did get the fan of the room?
Oh. You talking about the little fan? The little blue fan?
The big one. The big metal one.
No.
Why? It's hot. Oh. Same.
Same. You gotta enjoy the
Yeah.
experience. As long as the dog doesn't come out grabbing fireworks.
Yeah.
Mimo ain't up. And Arlena's up here.
Fun.
You having fun?
Yeah.
I'm glad you're having fun. We need Natalie Grace here.
One pops.
That one's already popped. My goodness. Whew. Oh my gosh. I don't think he's going to fire these off. Hard to open these. Hello there. He's lighting his sparklers, Doodle. Dad's making his own show.
Wait a second. I think it's burned. I think you. Ow!
Oh gosh.
I think he burned his hand. I think it's time to get it closer.
No, Dad ain't being as reckless this year.
I feel like it's close. I feel like it's close. I feel like it's getting towards us.
You're not even on video anymore.
Yeah. I don't know.
It's hot.
Phew. Yeah, I'll let the show. Let's pick what to show you. Oh.
What is this?
The other weird one. Oh, it looks like a gun. What does it do? No.
I think this is the one that you pop it.
Hey.
You
Hey.
pull the thing. I don't know.
Hey, let me do that.
I don't know how to do it, dude. There's two of them.
There's two of them.
I'm trying to see what you do. Why do these things not come with directions? You know, some of us need directions in life. Party popper.
That's a party pop. That's not bad.
It didn't party pop.
Yeah, it does. It does not do that. let me try.
You do it like a whoosh pop, like that. Come on, show them on video.
I think I'm gonna do this one here first.
No, you push it this way.
We got 16 shots, y'all.
Push. Like you're doing a pew pew. Like a Nerf. Hold it. You gonna pop this thing. Which one was that? Ow!
This thing.
That thing is broken. These are not worth getting. Just so y'all know.
Hey,
Don't get your hand too close to it. No, don't throw it on the ground. We gotta pick this.
hey, hey. What happens if I step on?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This one isn't even the whole thing. Oh my god, I feel it. I'm getting rained on by fireworks.
Hey, I'm glad I was there.
Hi.
That
You
was
ready for the next
loud.
one?
That was loud. I'm ready for it. I noticed this. This one. I put
Huh?
this one on. I put this one.
Oh, it's just a sparkler. It's not gonna It's like those things right there.
Oh,
Why are you so scary, Doodle?
hey, what happened to a step on this?
You can step on it, but just don't point it at me. Alright, I gotta keep it pointed to the sky. Because
Oh my god.
you weigh about $1.50. You ain't gonna pop that. You don't got no weight to you.
Oh, it's popped. Look,
Let's see what that one does.
look at this. This thing's popped.
Oh my god. Dad, you can't even. Oh my god, it's raining on me. Oh my gosh.
Hey, I got it safe. Hey, I got it right there. And
This thing is dangerous.
hey, I got it under the car.
I'm gonna have to take a bath.
Ah! That was scary. I was running. Challenge.
You want to further put some up in there? You said you just want to just try to throw these little fireworks out there now. Now you want to throw these little fireworks. Guess what? We're going to go ahead and miss you because I ain't got one more good one left. We only got one good one left, man. We got to save the best for last.
Oh, I laughing.
Dad said he only had one more good one.
We got one good one left, y'all. We're going to celebrate the best for last.
A good one. And it's close.
For real. Save the best for last. Oh, the stringy pop thing?
Hey.
They pop well. I think it's old.
Ain't these stringy pop too?
I don't know.
I think so.
Hey.
My bad, y'all.
But that's it.
Oh, that's one? Okay.
Hello. I noticed the fog.
That's your friendship when you're little.
Are you little one, dude? Are you little one?
Well,
Oh, wow.
that was disappointing. That was disappointing. No. No.
You just
Who said that was disappointing?
That's nothing. That, nope.
It's good, Doodle.
Yeah, it's good.
We gotta accept the small with the big.
Yeah, we have big. The small and the big, yeah.
Huh? Okay.
Yes, sir. That was that one right there.
What was that?
Okay.
I'm gonna start cleaning these boxes up.
Yes, sir. Well, y'all, we got one more left.
That was.
What about them?
What?
You ain't gonna fire
Oh,
off?
that's right. Well, yeah, I got fired the Roman. Doodle got a hold of him.
He's not gonna hold
Yes,
them.
he is. He held the Roman candle before. Ain't that right, Doodle?
Yeah. You hold them.
Oh, you should have did that in the ground.
That was
You're
it.
gonna burn your grass.
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. It came out. All right, what up in there? What up in there? Come on now. Fire up like that up in there. I know what
That was.
This is what we deal with.
Yeah.
Mm.
This
what
is not
case?
even just one day.
This is what we do. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
See, we do it like this.
Hey, nope. No, no, no. No, no.
Ouch, it's on my
No,
finger.
no, no.
So we get. Oh my god. He's trying to light us up, man. He's trying to off us.
I need to offer some more music.
Some more music. Oh, God. Funny.
This little package is worth getting, though. I'm
It's
honest
worth
with
it. Now, what about that?
you. This come in this package, but
Hey.
I say it's worth it because it's a lot of little knickknack
I wonder
things.
what this one do.
We're gonna see that.
Yeah, let's see. Let's find out. Hey, what if
Move
it
the camera.
goes? What if we do it with the sparklers? Put them up in there. And it'd be cool. Like put them right there.
Oh, you're talking about which one? Those things. No, Dad said we had to hold these.
I like a big booty bitch like a horse from the bed down. Racked up, I counted shit back.
Which side do you hold them?
Like Beyonce, I'm living like that. 18, will I make me? It's like that. Stuff that has a million in my girl, my G3.
I don't know about these. These scare me.
Yeah, me too. Yeah.
No, that would make sense. See, these should have instructions because it might be this end that it comes out of. Sorry.
This end. You think this is gonna be this end?
Dad said it's gonna be that end. I just hold them like this in case it comes out that end or that end.
I know it is. It's not gonna go through there because this one is not.
It's not gonna go out that side.
Yeah. It's
How
gonna
you
be-
know?
Because I see this screen game.
Oh,
And this
so
one.
you sure about that?
I hope. Hey, you will hold them. Because I don't know why. If I remember.
You wear yourself with it?
Yeah. And that's. I probably gonna hold them.
Oh, Lord.
Oh God, you got a lot of hair on fire. You know we got oil on it. Which, okay, light this for me. Light it in case it goes out fire. Oh, it's coming out. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, it's everywhere. Oh my God. I don't trust these. You want one, Doodle? No. Make sure you point it towards the sky. Point it at people. Oh, he's dangerous.
Look out, look out, look out.
Oh my God.
I say this.
You don't have to clean yourself off because it's everywhere.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Point it that way.
Mommy ain't gonna show up yet. What thing? Scared yet?
Doodle, you wanna pop it? Come here. Oh my gosh. Not all the way up. These things look like they will backfire and hit you in the face. Now you're littering. Why are you throwing it on the ground?
What's up with this camera right now? They never had this much stuff on the money. God dang.
You want another one?
Yes. That was that nasty. They never had this much stuff come out of here. See that? Look at the car. Yeah, this stuff never came out. These things, I don't know what they doing to these fireworks this time, boy. They pulling some extra stuff in them.
They probably budgeting.
They doing
Ooh,
something.
this is
Oh my God, it's facing me. Ah, you're facing it towards me. What the heck?
Hey,
He's too dangerous. You should have seen him last time.
right here.
Oh my gosh. I'm trying to show y'all. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I don't like these.
I'm right here. I
Why you just throw them? What you throw on the
I'm
car?
throwing them inside the bag. That's why I put them over
Ain't no
there.
bag.
That is my bag that I'm putting them
I
in.
know they is, but it's still on the car.
Sir, you're making trash.
A woman, trash. Clean up trash. What the hell y'all doing? Fucking with me. Somebody say you looking for me? Here I
Oh
go.
my gosh.
All we have is 2.
Here I go. Somebody say you looking for me? Here I go.
Let's get it be the last ones. We're gonna.
You could have let Doodle pull that. He wanted to pull one.
Yeah.
You pull this one. There you go, dude. There you go, pull it. Pull it.
So you say $1.50. Boy, get some strength in them little arms.
Pop, there you go.
Okay.
I don't know. It's got. One smell like birds. Ah. Smell like birds.
Crazy. Alright, y'all.
There's gonna be a side
Oh
of.
my gosh, look at all the stuff on me.
I don't have the stuff on me.
You do too.
How y'all doing today? Happy 4th of July, y'all. Happy 4th of July.
I'm
Happy
sweaty.
4th, happy 4th, happy 4th.
You must have had to go
We
back
got
live.
one more left. We got one more left, y'all. We got one more left. So what, man?
You must have to go redo the live.
We do what?
You went back live or you
No.
still on live?
Still on live.
Oh. Thought you was gonna hit me with something.
You get it.
Oh, boy. I don't know what happened to the last one, y'all. Hope that did.
It's too close to your finger.
Is it? Please, right.
Okay, light your finger off. Throw it down. You almost lit your fingers on fire.
Finger looking good. Ain't that right, y'all? Finger looking good.
Well, you gonna cremate yourself with a firework. Okay. I won't even have to pay to get you cremated.
That burnt my hand then.
Uh-huh. Told you. Cremation ahead of time.
That
You
burnt
messed
my
it up.
hand, y'all.
Hey. Oh my god. Oh my
He's
Show
being
Killer
dangerous.
Inc, y'all. This show Killer Inc.
god. Oh my god.
We putting it
Ew,
together.
you touching me and I'm dirty.
Why you ain't stuff the sparkles?
Because we have a lighter.
Hey. Hey, I got sleep.
We don't play with sparklers. They're
Yeah.
too dangerous.
Yeah. It's scary.
Sparkles. PJ Sparkles.
Hey, it's scary with the one with the
I want to know what that thing over there does. Because he
Hey.
waited
Hey,
last to do that one.
hey, look. I've been running. And I just run because of that. Burn your finger.
I don't know where
It's
we're
gonna
going
be to the side of the insane. It's gonna be great.
Uh-oh. I forgot his phone was right there. I don't want nobody seeing me on his phone. Come on, come on. We want to see the big one. Yes.
Big one.
Alright, y'all.
You gotta see the big one.
It better be
Last
big.
one,
You
y'all.
need to see the big one. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
they ready for the last one, y'all. I guess we gonna give you the last one.
The
Big
big one.
one.
You better get inside.
You gotta
The
get the
big
blower ready
one.
to blow this car.
be excited.
Get the blower. So you can blow this car.
Me? You're the one that did that stuff, not me.
You gotta see the big one. Wow.
We're getting in trouble because of his car.
Yeah. That's not good.
Watch the fireworks.
Call the big one. It's gonna be the size of the thing.
Come on, we gotta show your reaction. Come here. Come over. You excited?
Yes, I did. He was excited.
Oh my God. He's everywhere. Oh my God.
Well, this is not it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The family is out tonight. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Had a fun time. Poor car is full of fireworks. Yep, yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got done it. We got it done. First time doing live on TikTok. Hoping this year we have a little bit something.
How you doing?
Until the next time, y'all show me your love.
With the
Happy New Year.
weed grower.
Huh?
What's wrong with it?
I see that. I see the fireworks. Yep, it's still lighting.
Congratulations. I had 216 views, 0 gives, 0 followers.
How's that? Uh-oh.
It was good.
Oh, you didn't tell my aunt. Hey, honey. That's my Aunt Arlene up there.
Hey, how you doing? Happy 4th of July.
All right. You gonna tell her bye, Doodle?
Bye.
Bye. We love you. See you next time.